Okay, I'm at the Viking retaining wall job. So first thing, talk about striping real quick. We got this yellow fire lane 6-inch line. It just goes straight all the way. It's pretty worn off. You can actually see it pretty good in the video, but it just goes straight back all the way. Then we got angled parking stalls. They are gonna do the stencils. So he said he's got all the stencils. So I just talked to him. He's gonna have his wife make a little striping diagram just to make sure, because I caught this reserved and he does not have a reserved. He has a number kit, so he's gonna spray his own numbers, and we're gonna do the couple reserves. He thinks there's 3 of them, but he's gonna make a map. So we got the 6-inch fire lane, yellow. There's no NPFLs on it that I could see. It's just the base line. So here we go to the wall. Okay, so it starts off pretty narrow down here, 2-3 foot max. But it's got pea gravel in it down to about 3 inches, which we're probably going to take that out anyway just to get down to the depth we need. But we're not going to want to compact on that, obviously. So he's going to weld posts onto these I-beams. So he does want these I-beams showing. So I figure we'll just continue the slope that the asphalt already has on it, whatever that's at, you know, just normal like we normally do. Continue off, and there will be, you know, 3-4 inches. In some spots the grade's a little closer, but he's totally fine and does want a little bit of the I-beam showing, so we don't got to worry about concealing that. It stays narrow down here, 2 to 3, 2 to 3, 2 to 3. Right here it breaks out to about 4, then back down. It's gonna be kind of a goofy one to try and calculate, but here's where it starts to get a little wider. So we got like 6.5, maybe 7 at the widest point right here. Chokes back down to like 3.5, and then holds this. Saw cut, by the way. Nice clean edge already. Coming down, you know, maybe from 4.5 to 4, back out to 6 here, down to 5, down to 4, and then back here it does go out to about 8 or 9. So holds that for a little while. Now here's his concern. Is back here he has a lot of water coming down this hill, and he does not want any water going behind this retaining wall here. Cannot have any water going down there. So what we'll probably end up doing is from this last I-beam to that pole put a berm. He was thinking maybe even put the berm farther up, keep going, whatever we need to do. He does not want water getting behind this edge. So whatever we got to do, I think we'll be fine just doing it from the pole, but we'll see when we get out there, put a level on it while we're doing it. It's a little deeper over here in this back corner. I don't know if you can see, that's like 6 inches right there. Maybe a little more, but it's only in that one corner. So there's plenty of gravel. I got nice 1.25 inches here to work with. Some pea gravel we'll probably have to take out. I'll try and figure out what we're gonna do with that. But their number one concern is getting all water to flow away from the retaining wall towards the catch basin. And there's the CB right there. And we got the flow line all the way down. So all we gotta do is match our grade up and leave some of the I-beams exposed, and then stripe it. Angled all the way down. He'll do the numbers, we do a couple reserves, and the fire lane line, which I couldn't see any NPFLs, but I don't know. They have some up on the existing, very rarely, 1 or 2 on the whole property. So maybe we put like 2, like no parking, fire lane, done, or something like that. Alrighty, there we are. One quick look down here for calking purposes. There it is.